Here is how to create a shared album in Google Photos. So let's get started. First open the browser on your PC and then head over to Google Photos. So search for photos.google.com. Once you're in Google Photos, select album that's on the left. Then here we have two options: to create a new album that we'll share or to share an existing one. So the steps remain the same for both, and for now I'll show you how to create a new album. So click on create album on the top right. Then you can name the album. You can add photos if you want to, but the important step is to click on share that's on the top right. And here we have different methods to share. One method is by inviting them. So you can enter their name or phone number or email ID and invite them. So to do this, just select the name and click on send. And now this account would have received an invite and then they can access this album. The second method is via a link. So to do this, click on the share icon, then click on create link, select create link. And this is the link that you can share with others. And with this link, they can view the album and add photos to it. So one thing you can do is manage permissions. So to do this, click on the link icon that's over here. And these are all the options you have. The important ones are collaborate. So this lets others add their photos and videos to your album. So if you want to allow this, just leave it enabled or you can disable it. And the second important one is link sharing. So this lets anyone with the link see the photos. You can also go through the other options, and below you can see who all you've invited. And if you want to invite more people, you can do that from here. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.